Mr. Aaron Barber!
Mr. Aaron Barber, ladies and gentlemen!
Aaron Barber! Aaron Barber!
Touchdown, Coach Aaron Barber!
Oh, you're from Texas. You must be a Texas cowboy, yeah!
Yeah, that's how you know I'm American. If it doesn't directly affect me, is it a problem? I don't know. Burger pie. Irvine's cheeseburger pie. I lost $100 to my sister recently. Yeah, I bet her that our right-wing uncle was attacking the Capitol on the 6th.
Are you trying to get back to America? I tell her, absolutely not. They put me on birth control. Yeah, that's right. They signed me up for Boy Scouts.
Sour cream is not a food group. You gotta slow down.
Oh, you like the Pokies, do you?
It's the most Mad Max shit I've ever heard of in my life. I had a different experience personally. I went out one night.
You know, they don't even take you as currency anymore. You just show up and all they accept is just slabs of beef and bullets. That's it.
It's not an earthquake. We're rolling down the hill.